Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix nearby the problem processing your purchase. Please tracking later on YouTube. If you're using YouTube and you're facing this type of issue whenever you try to get a premium or a purchase on YouTube, you might see the error that nearby the problem processing your purchase. Please try again. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to verify your region and payment method. If you're using any payment method, it might be your Google Pay or your Apple Pay. So just try to verify your payment method. Let's say I'm gonna use my Apple Pay here. Just open your Apple Store, and here just tap on the profile option at the top right. Tap on your Apple ID, and here you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. So you just have to verify your payment method or your region and your payment method. So just wait for the loading here. Once you have checked, you just have to go back and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, just go to your settings app and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. You can also go to general, go to VPN device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. Once you have disconnected your VPN, just go back and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to your language at region and select your own region in which you're living. Go back and go to date and time section. Enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again go back, go to software update and just try to update your software. Once you updated your software, just simply go back from here and go to app section. Now here you just have to look for your browser. So it might be a Safari browser here. So just select the clear history and website data, tap on clear history. It will clear all the history and website data, so if there will be any junk files with your website data, it will be fixed in this step. So then go back and here go to your general, go to iPhone storage, and here just look for YouTube. And you can try to offload your app, you can also try to delete app in case of offloading or deleting. If there will be any bug or any malware with your YouTube app, it will be fixed in this step, so you will not get the issue again. So once you have offloaded, so you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to use any other payment method. It might be your MasterCard, your PayPal card, or your Visa card to check if it's fixed your issue. So once you have changed your payment method, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.